Oh, hi there. My name is That One Makeup Kid, and I am here with a special guest. This is my roommate.
Oh, hi there. Oh, that was my too.
This is Emily. This is my roommate.
What's up?
And today, I'm gonna make her emo.
Again.
I'm gonna put a picture like right there of you.
Former emo kid.
Emo. Your emo.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do edgy makeup, emo, very Gerard way makeup on her today. So come closer, because we want this to be
I thought I was gonna smash your foot.
If you did, I would cry. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna start with the eyes. I need that gone. And we're not gonna use any moisturizer or primer because that's edgy. With some red, because if you were emo back in the day, you wore red. That's edgy.
Okay, resume. Hi.
Okay.
We cover a man.
So we put down the base. That was this thing. I'm a beauty guru. Okay? Right. And now we're gonna go into this one, which is the Saharan 2. No.
Don't hold it like that.
By Juvia's Place. And we're gonna use that one over top to make it look more like blood. It's gonna be bloody. Okay.
It's probably the cat. He's kind of a dick like that. I forgot how weird this feels. I haven't put makeup on in for so long.
I did Trixie makeup on you.
Yeah, I know, but that, I don't know, that didn't, this is emo. I haven't felt this.
I haven't felt this way.
That was one in my eye.
I haven't felt the touch of another person in so long.
Yeah, I mean, honestly.
I like so badly want to blend it out. But that's
I don't even know what that means.
To blend something out?
Yeah.
It means to blend it out.
More
We're
than
we're gonna make her very pale with total control drops in pale.
In pale.
Ready
Like
for
this. Yep. Maybe you can cover up my little pimple.
I mean,
please.
it's not very edgy.
It's not edgy to have a pimple.
Oh, look at it's like Instagram.
It's what Instagram.
Yeah, in Instagram they do all the little zippy.
What?
We do different things on Instagram.
Obviously.
All right, don't smile, don't move, don't do anything.
Oh, sounds like me every day. Medication works wonders.
Okay, look at me. Maybe don't. Well, do, but like don't. Like, turn your head towards me. Don't look at me. I don't want you to look at me. I need you to look at.
Okay, sorry.
Look at.
Oh god, I hate this part.
If you move, it will be worse.
Okay.
So just. It's like a clockwork orange.
Mm.
They're coming for you, Bob.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a clockwork orange. Just, I'm clarifying. I know that's not a clockwork orange. That look.
Sorry, I mean.
It looks really emo. We're putting eyeliner in the waterline. So, look up.
Mm.
We're gonna dab just a little bit of Vaseline. Get out.
No, I live here too.
No, leave.
Sorry.
No, no. Don't cry.
Just leave.
No, stay.
Okay.
I'm over it.
You're over it.
Alright, close your eyes.
Yeah.
Show them a close-up of your eyes so far. Go like that. Yeah. Wow. Look at that.
You can see the hair probably in between my eyebrows.
Alright, we're going to do some contouring, but we're going to do it with the gray shade because we don't want it to be too warm. Otherwise, it looks normal.
It has to be cold. If you want it edgy, it's gotta be cold.
Right, yeah.
It feels nice.
Oh, does it?
Mm-hmm. Stab me. No, it does feel nice.
You don't have herpes, right?
No.
Good.
Yeah.
I would be forced to throw this away.
Oh, you can see it's like up in my lip. I mean, I don't know where I would have gotten herpes, but...
Are you saying you don't know if you don't have herpes?
No, I'm saying that I know I don't have it, and I don't know where I would get it. I mean, I know how... I don't... This is just going down a very dark... Let's just not talk about it.
Okay. So I think the makeup part is pretty much done. We will wipe that off in a few minutes, and we'll be back with her in her clothes, and then we'll put a wig on.
Boy,
So that'll be fun.
Good old baby.
Alright, see you then.
It's Frank.
An actual high school artifact. Wow, look at that. As you can see, black shirt, red tie, and we're gonna finish this all off with a black wig. So, if you will, put that on so I can style it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
And we're gonna do this side swoop. Yep. Oh my god,
Well, I mean, I look 15 again.
yeah,
Let's just say that. Yep.
Wow, look at you. Let me see if I can make this brighter.
15 again. That's what this is. Yeah.
How does it feel to be 15 again?
Well, I mean, considering I'm gonna be 20 in, what, few weeks. It's,
Those crusty butthole lips.
I'm sorry. It's very dry out right now and cold.
That's because we put foundation over it.
That too.
Wow.
'Cause
Do some
my
emo poses,
lips
my
are
dude.
chapped and faded. What are my emo poses that I did?
There it is.
I can't
There
get
it is.